Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: what command is used to compute find right summary statistic to a new field in the event results? Option A, T-stats. Option B, stats. Option C, event stats, and option D, transaction. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: which command can run on both search heads and indexers? Option A, transforming commands. Option B, centralized streaming commands. Option C, dataset processing commands. And option D, distributable streaming commands. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: what is returned when Splunk finds fewer than the minimum matches for each lookup value? Option A, the default value null until the minimum match threshold is reached. Option B, the default match value until the minimum match threshold is reached. Option C, the first match unless the time field attribute is specified. And option D, only the first match. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: when would a distributable streaming command be executed on an indexer? Option A, if any of the preceding search commands are executed on the search head. Option B, if all preceding search commands are executed on me indexer and the stream stats command is used. Option C, if all preceding search commands are executed on the indexer. And option D, if some of the preceding search commands are executed on the indexer and a time chart command is used. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: why is the transaction command slow in large Splunk deployments? Option A, it forces the search to run in fast mode. Option B, transaction or runs on each indexer in parallel. Option C, it forces all event data to be returned to the search head. And option D, transaction runs a hidden eval to format fields. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: what are the four types of event actions? Option A, stats, target, set and unset. Option B, stats, target, change and clear. Option C. Eval, link, change and clear. And option D. Eval, link, set and unset. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, when using the bin command, which argument sets the bin size? Option A. Mass data size MB. Option B. Max. Option C. Volume. And option D. Span. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, where can wildcards be used in the tstats command? Option A. No wildcards can be used with. Option B. In the where to clause. Option C. In the from clause. And option D. In the by clause. The correct answer is option C. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, when and where do search debug messages appear to help with troubleshooting views? Option A. In the dashboard editor while the search is running. Option B. In the search job inspector after the search completes. Option C. In the search job inspector while the search is running. And option D. In the dashboard editor after the search completes. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. How is a cascading input used? Option A. As part of a dashboard but not in a form. Option B. Without notation in the underlying XML. Option C. As a way to filter other input selections. And option D. As a default way to delete a user role. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. Which of the following is accurate regarding predefined drill down tokens? Option A. They capture data from a form input. Option B. They vary by visualization type. Option C. There are 8 categories of predefined drill down tokens. And option D. They are defined by a panels based search. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. Which of the following statements is accurate regarding the append command? Option A. It is used with a sub-search and only accesses real-time searches. Option B. It is used with a sub-search and only accesses historical data. Option C. It cannot be used with a sub-search and only accesses historical data. And option D. It cannot be used with a sub-search and only accesses real-time searches. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. What happens to panels with post-processing searches when their base search is refreshed? Option A. The parsers are deleted. Option B. The parsers are only refreshed if they have only been configured. Option C. The panels are refreshed automatically. And option D. Nothing happens to the panels. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. Which of the following are potential string results returned by the type of function? Option A. True, false, unknown. Option B. Number, string, bool. Option C. Number, string, null. And option D. Field, value, lookup. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. How can the inspect button be disabled on a dashboard panel? Option A. Set inspect.link.disable to 1. Option B. Set link.inspect visible to 0. Option C. Set link inspect search visible to. And option D. Set link search disable to 1. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which field is required for an event annotation? Option A. Annotation category. Option B. Time. Option C. Event time. And option D. Annotation label. The correct answer is option B. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, how can form inputs impact dashboard panels using inline searches? Option A. Panels powered by an inline search require a minimum of one form input. Option B. Form inputs cannot impact panels using inline searches. Option C. Adding a form input to a dashboard converts all panels to pre-built panels. And option D. A token in a search can be replaced by a form input value. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following has a scheme or structure embedded in the data itself? Option A, dark data. Option B, unstructured data. Option C, embedded data. And option D, self-describing data. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following functions' primary purpose is to convert epochs time to a string format? Option A, toString. Option B, strp time. Option C, toNumber. And option D, strf time. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following can be used to access external lookups? Option A, Perl and Python. Option B, Python and Ruby. Option C, Perl and binary executable. And option D, Python and binary executable. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, what file types does Splunk use to define geospatial lookups? Option A, GPX or GML files. Option B, TXT files. Option C, KMZ or KML files. And option D, CSV files. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, if a nested macro expands to a search strings that begins with a generating command, what additional syntax is needed? Option A, double tick marks around the nested macro. Option B, a comma before the nested macro. Option C, square brackets around the nested macro. And option D, a pipe character before the nested macro. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, why use the tsteps command? Option A, as an alternative to the summary command. Option B, to generate statistics on indexed fields. Option C, to generate an accelerated data model. And option D, to generate statistics on search time fields. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which command should be used in place of a sub-search if possible? Option A, untable and XY series. Option B, stats and or evil. Option C, MV expand or where. And option D, bin and or where. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, what order of incoming events must be supplied to the transaction command to ensure correct results? Option A, reverse lexicographical order. Option B, ascending lexicographical order. Option C, ascending chronological order. And option D, reverse chronological order. The correct answer is option C. That's all for this content. Thank you. Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, what type of drill down passes a value from a user click into another dashboard or external page? Option A, visualization. Option B, event. Option C, dynamic. And option D, contextual. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, when running a search, which Splunk component retrieves the individual results? Option A, indexer. Option B, search head. Option C, universal forwarder. And option D, master node. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, what does the query iMaker results generate? Option A, a timestamp. Option B, a results field. Option C, an error message. And option D, the results of the previously run search. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, when using a nested search macro, how can an argument value be passed to the inner macro? Option A, the argument value may be passed to the outer macro. Option B, an argument cannot be used with an inner tested macro. Option C, an argument cannot be used with an outer tested macro. And option D, the argument value must be specified in the outer macro. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, what default Splunk role can use the log event alert action? Option A, power. Option B, user. Option C, candidate. And option D, admin. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which statement about the callsec function is accurate? Option A, it can take only a single argument. Option B, it can take a maximum of 2 arguments. Option C, it can be used to create a new field in the results set. And option D, it can return null or non-null values. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which command processes a template for a set of related fields? Option A, bin. Option B, XY series. Option C, for each. And option D, untable. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, what does using the tstats command with summaries only equals to false do? Option A, returns results from only non-summarized data. Option B, returns results from both summarized and non-summarized data. Option C, prevents use of wildcard characters in aggregate functions. And option D, returns no results. The correct answer is option B. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, what is the result of the XY series command? Option A, to transform single series output into a multi-series output. Option B, to transform a stats-like output into chart-like output. Option C, to transform a multi-series output into single series output. And option D, to transform a chart-like output into a stats-like output. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which function of the stats command creates a multi-value entry? Option A, MV combine. Option B, eval. Option C, make MV. And option D, list. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, what is the recommended way to create a field extraction that is both persistent and precise? Option A, use the rex command. Option B, use the field extractor and manually edit the generated regular expression. Option C, use the field extractor and let it automatically generate a regular expression. And option D, use the edX command. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, what arguments are required when using the path command? Option A, input output index. Option B, input output path. Option C, no arguments are required. and option D, field host source. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, when possible, what is the best choice for summarizing data to improve search performance? Option A, as the field summary command. Option B, data model acceleration. Option C, report acceleration. And option D, summary indexing. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, how can a lookup be referenced in an alert? Option A, use the lookup drop-down in the alert configuration window. Option B, follow lookup with an alert command in the search bar. Option C, run a search that uses a lookup and save as an alert. And option D, upload a lookup file directly to the alert. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, where does the output of an append command appear in the search results? Option A, added as a column to the right of the search list. Option B, added as a column to the left of the search results. Option C, added to the beginning of the search results. And option D, added to the end of the search results. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which stats function is used to return a sorted list of unique field values? Option A, values. Option B, sum. Option C, count. And option D, list. The correct answer is option A. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions on Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, which of the following is an event handler action? Option A, run an evil statement based on a user clicking a value on a form. Option B, set a token to select a value from the time range picker. Option C, pass a token from a drill down to modify index settings. And option D, cancel all jobs based on the number of such job results captured. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following fields are provided by the field summary command? Option A, count. Option B, stdiv. Option C, mean. And option D, DC. The correct answer is option A and D. Next question is, which of the following is accurate about cascading inputs? Option A, they can be reset by an event handler. Option B, the final input has no impact on previous inputs. Option C, only the final input of the sequence can supply a token to searches. And option D, inputs added to panels cannot participate. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, repeating JSON data structures within one event will be extracted as what type of fields? Option A, single value. Option B, lexicographical. Option C, multi-value. And option D, mv-index. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. Which statement about tcdix files is accurate? Option A, Splunk updates tcdix files every 30 minutes. Option B, Splunk removes outdated tcdix files every 5 minutes. Option C, a tcdix file consists of a lexicon and a posting list. And option D, each bucket in each index may contain only one tcdix file. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following is not a common default time field? Option A, date zone. Option B, date minute. Option C, date year. And option D, date day. The correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. What is a performance improvement technique unique to dashboards? Option A, using stats instead of transaction. Option B, using global searches. Option C, using report acceleration. And option D, using data model acceleration. The correct answer is option C. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based questions for Splunk Core Certified Advanced Power User SPLK 1004. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, which of the following best describes the process for tokenizing event data? Option A, the event cache is broken up by values in punch field. Option B, the event data is broken up by major breaker and then broken up further by minor breakers. Option C. The event data is broken up by a series of user-defined regex patterns. And option D. The event data has all punctuation stripped out and is then space delinked. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. What qualifies a report for acceleration? Option A. Fewer than 100k events in search results with transforming commands used in the search string. Option B. More than 100k events in search results with only a search command in the search string. Option C. More than 100k events in the search results with a search and transforming command used in the search string. And option D. Fewer than 100k events in search results with only a search and transaction command used in the search string. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, what capability does a power user need to create a log event alert action? Option A. Edit search server. Option B. Edit UDP. Option C. Edit TCP. And option D. Edit alerts. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, if a search contains a sub-search, what is the order of execution? Option A. The order of execution depends on whether either search uses a stats command. Option B. The inner search executes first. Option C. The outer search executes first. And option D. The two searches are executed in parallel. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, how can the erex and rex commands be used in conjunction to extract fields? Option A. The regex generated by the erex command can be edited and used with the regex command in a subsequent search. Option B. The regex generated by the rex command can be edited and used with the erex command in a subsequent search. Option C. The regex generated by the erex command can be edited and used with the erex command in a subsequent search. And option D. The erex and rex commands cannot be used in conjunction under any circumstances. The correct answer is option A. Thank you.